Cindy, is there something you're hiding from me?
No.
Are you sure?
Yes. Please, what have you heard?
Cindy, Na came to tell me to be wary of you.
Oh God. Auntie Aku, I think Na is acting out of the guilt of her conscience.
Does that mean she's doing something against me that you seem to be aware of?
Well, I bumped into Grandpa, bribing her with food to help him work against you. I decided not to tell you because I didn't want to bring any conflicts between both of you.
I see. Thank you, Cindy. But I believe the good Lord I serve will fight for me. I've not wronged them in any way, so nothing they will do will work against me.
Dave and Ava, 5 little kittens. Sitting on a gate. The first one said,
this is not done here.
What is not done here?
When you are working, you don't watch television. When it's work, it should be work. Grandma wouldn't be happy seeing you like this.
Okay, so I think you need to get something straight. Aku, you're the maid, and I'm the relative. I was here to assist you. That's why I was even given a uniform. So come on, why the fuss? You can join me. It's funny. It's a nice movie. Oh my God, this one is so funny. Oh my God.
May I know the meaning of this visit? Is it something positive about my request?
What did you do?
I did what I did to make you think. We have spoken about this already. Why must we talk about the problem when you are the solution?
Heja, you are heartless.
On the contrary, anyone who knows me knows that I have a good heart.
Well, I came to tell you to be very careful in this house. You just declared war.
I wonder what is going on.
Look who's threatening Ejanto. You, Aku. Yeah, boy.
I'm sure it's just Seja disturbing her life again.
That man, I wish we could talk to her, but it wouldn't be a good time because Grandma won't like it.
Are you working or just chit-chatting?
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions.
I need the help of both of you to get something done.
Us? What exactly, please?
You see, Ejanto's birthday is in 2 days' time. And I want both of you to help me with the surprise I want to give him.
You mean you want to surprise Eja on his birthday?
Yes. That's what I do for all my workers. I give them the best of pampering on their birthdays.
I see.
That means both of you are going to help Grandma.
Sure, why not? That is even a good plan. We can bond with him a lot.
Good.
I think so too. Probably after this, who knows? We might become the best of friends.
Ah, that's right. I knew that both of you are good girls. Ah, I knew you were raised with good hearts to forgive.
Yes.
Um,
Come in.
What are the two of you doing here by this time? What if Grandma sees you? Or let's say, now was in here.
We just saw Nat pass by. We were spying on her. Anyway, we have a master plan idea.
What is this master plan about? And how will it affect Eja?
His birthday.
Birthday?
Yes, Grandma is planning on surprising him on his birthday, and she asks us to help.
Oh no. You mean Grandma asked you two little devils for help?
Up to now, I'm still wondering why, but yes.
Alright, brief me on the master plan. So I know what I'm supposed to do. I know this will be fun.
Trust me, it will. I can't wait to see the look on his face.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. and we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day. What you say?
Grandma is making her way to your room.
I'm your dead.
Eja is gone. Now, Grandma.
Don't worry. I'll try and distract Grandma and take her to her room so you girls can go, okay?
Okay.
Nah, it's my turn to sweep. Go and do the laundry. Nah, I said it's my...
Don't you think I heard you? Eh? No, what is it? Eh? If it's your turn to sweep and you come and someone else is sweeping, what is the big deal? Look, you can go and do the laundry that I'm supposed to do. Period. No, Minnie. Oh.
There is no big deal. I was only trying to remind you in case you forgot. Oh. Oh, I just remembered you don't know how to use the washing machine. It explains it. Just tell me you don't know how to use it then I'll do it for you. Rather than...
Are you trying to undermine my very intelligence? Eh? No, have I ever told you or anyone in this house that I cannot use a washing machine or anything? Have I?
You don't have to tell me for me to know. You always run from that chore every time. Aside from eating anyhow and siding with that old man called Deja, you are of no other importance in this house.
You have to show me some respect in this house. I'm equally your madam.
Madam, my foot. And how dare you slap me?
I will do it again, you fool.
Come on, try me. I'm not scared of you.
Hey, will you both stop behaving like 4-year-old kids? What's the meaning of this? What's going on here? I need an explanation right now. What's going on?
Grandma, now I was sweeping this place and it's not her turn. She's supposed to do the laundry. When I try to...
Grandma, she's lying, oh. She's lying.
Enough, both of you. You can't be doing this in my house. And you, Aku, this is the second time you are misbehaving in a week. And here I was, thinking that if I forgive you, you'll not repeat it.
But Grandma, it's...
I said enough! Both of you are going to do 2 shifts. No break. The salary remains the same. I hope you learn from this.
Grandma, are you okay?
I'm fine. I'm just tired. Go on with your work.
Where? Me no get your off, eh? Hey, Ata. Came up, Bona.
Come back here. Now, let me sound this warning to you and let it sink into that your foodie head. If you don't know and you ever raise your hands on me in this house, you won't like me. What happened today should be the first and the last. I'm telling you, if it happens again.
So is that why you pulled me? Eh? To say this nonsense? That's why you pulled me. Look at come on, house girl giving madam order. When I feel.
Yes, that's all you know how to do. Blabbing here and there, up and down. That's all you know how to do. Eating anyhow and siding with that old man called Deja. That's all. Look, just put your hand, I'm talking to you.
You know what? It mean like pointing fingers at like that? I'm not trying to get to life. Hey, you! Grandma, please, here's the water you asked for.
Thank you. Now, please come back.
Yes, auntie.
I want to ask you a simple question. And I want you to be very truthful. And I understand wherever it is you're coming from.
Okay, Grandma, but I hope there's no problem.
Not entirely. Now, Kwale, are you responsible for the theft? I promise I'll make a big deal out of it.
Oh, Grandma. Grandma, you know me more than anybody in this house. I'm your blood relative. You know that I can never do anything like... Grandma, why will I even steal? Grandma, I promise I'm not responsible for it. I can't do that.
Are you sure? Now, Kwale, I'm giving you the opportunity to come clean if you're the culprit.
Grandma, I swear. Grandma, I swear to God, it is not me. I'm not responsible.
That's all right. But I'll still do my investigations. And if I find out anything that points out to you, you.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different
Now, Kwale.
characters.
Grandma, you won't do. You won't. Just believe me.
Don't forget that the evil that men do lives after them.
Grandma, me is not me.
You.
Jamie, I'll never do that.
And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day, no way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day, what you say, we no go take.
Hey,
Leave me alone. Let go of me. Eja, how many times will I ask you to leave me alone? Leave me in peace.
Aku, there will be no peace for you in this house until you accept my love. Aku, can't you see? I love you so much that I'll do anything for you.
I spit on that love because the feeling is not mutual. Just leave me in peace, Eja.
Good day, folks.
Good day, doctor. What brings you here? Na has already recovered from the waist pain.
I'm not here to see Na. I'm actually here to see Grandma.
Grandma?
Yes. And I hope she's home.
Yes. She'll be inside. Kindly come with me.
Either way.
I'm trying to get this lady, and then you suddenly walk in. But Aku, you wait. You will surely come to me. Swear. Just mark it on the wall. Yes. You will be mine.
In my grandma.
Come in. It's not locked.
Good day, Grandma.
Oh, good day, dog.
I'll take my leave.
Okay. Aku,
Grandma.
see me after dog. It's gone.
Okay.
Grandma, how are you doing?
Dog, I think I'm dying slowly. My system is used to the prescription that you give me. It has no more effect on me.
No, Grandma. Don't talk like that. You've been fighting so hard. Why give up now?
Maybe I'm tired.
If you take your prescriptions as you should, you'll be fine. Everything will be fine. Please, Grandma. Do you take your drugs as you should?
I'm tired of taking them.
You see, that is why you're still having the sharp pains. The drugs are supposed to suppress the ailments and make you feel better.
I'm exhausted, Doc, of taking the medication. Doc, how long do I have left?
A few months, Grandma. But you can lengthen it with good diet and having enough rest. You are not supposed to go through any form of depression or anxiety. It threatens your health.
I'll try to take the medication as prescribed.
That would be great. So I'll leave everything in the hands of the maid.
No. You don't need to. I don't want anybody to know about my condition. Please.
If you say so, Grandma. But I think it's wise if you tell them, so they help you with your condition.
No, it's not necessary. Come in. Oh.
Good day, Grandma. Good day, Doctor.
Good day, my beautiful princesses.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters.
I miss you.
Okay, Grandma. I have to take my leave now. But please think about what I told you. It will be good for everyone.
Thank you. Do you think we should go out today to eat?
Aku, how are things with you in this house?
I'm just managing it. You know, Grandma's doctor came by a few days ago and said Grandma needs to travel abroad for some treatment. I pleaded with Grandma for a break in her absence because you know how the chef in this house is treating me, and I need time on my own to think.
So where do you want to go?
I wanted to discuss that with you, so you allow me come and perch with you until I get my own place.
Aku, you know, I stay with my boyfriend in that single room. I don't know if you'll be comfortable staying with us.
Why not? Even if it's the porch, I'll sleep there.
Okay. I'll discuss with him and get back to you.
Okay, thank you. I'm done here, so let's get in and get something to drink.
Okay.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business, snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day.
Hello, Senam.
Yes, Aku.
How far away to what we discussed the other time?
I've spoken with him, but I'll come over for us to talk.
Okay, I'll be free tomorrow from between 12 p.m. and 3 p.m. So you can come around that time.
Okay, see you soon.
Okay, bye. Thank you. Take care.
You too.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day. No way, we no go pay. Every day.
I don't want that inquisitive chef to hear our conversation. Okay, so how did your meeting with your boyfriend go concerning my issue?
Hako, he wasn't too happy about it. But I pleaded with him.
Oh, thank you so much.
Come on, what are friends for?
See who is being romantic. Thank you so much. This means a lot to me.
So, Hako, you want family water or drink or anything?
Let's go, I'll give you water.
Ansa, you are most welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, so what do you do for a living?
Yes, I'm into many things. I do petty trading, and I focus much on sales of mobile phones and accessories. Yes, I supply to some shops.
Okay.
And so...
That's nice. Well, I invited you this afternoon because of your relationship with my daughter. You know, Amma said a whole lot about you. And I told her to invite you so that I can talk to you. You know, and Sam, Amma's brother, has his own perception about you two, the way he sees you and all that. But the most important thing is how my daughter sees you. And then her decision. That is what I'm going in for. Yeah, it seems she likes you and all that. So I said, why not? Ansa, come here and let me talk to you. And well, I want to advise you too. That is why I called you on how you go about things. And I don't want you guys to be engaging yourself in premarital sex. I want you to take things easy. You know, my daughter here is a young girl. She's still in school. And I don't want you guys to be engaging yourself and at the end of the day, you know, unwanted pregnancy. I don't want that. I want her to finish with education. And after, if you want to marry her, you guys will do it the right way. And then we take it up from there. So, yeah. I invited you to just advise you. That's all I can say.
Thank you very much for your warm reception. Yes, I love Amma very much. I won't mince words. And her brother Sam is aware.
Really?
He's actually my good friend until he realized my relationship with his sister.
Wow.
And I've heard everything you have said. That is what we are even trying to uphold. Yes, to do our things right. Make sure she goes through her school and, come out with flying colors. Then we can marry. So as I'm talking to you, the only focus that we have is to make sure she goes through her school successfully.
That is what I want.
And then every support that I have been offering her. And I believe she learns hard. She's very brilliant. Yes. So Auntie, you can rest assured, she's in very good hands.
I'm happy. I mean, that's what I want to hear. You know, I don't understand why Sam is against your relationship. I mean, you're a nice guy. From the way you talk, you're a very nice guy.
Thank you.
I've heard what you said, Amma. Okay.
Welcome, my dear.
Thank you. I'm happy to be here.
Oh, yes. Before I forget, please be careful around here.
What do you mean by I should be careful?
Ako, in every neighborhood, there are issues here and there. Just be mindful of what you say or do.
I still don't understand you.
All I'm trying to say is, my neighbors talk a lot. everything they see or hear, they want to say it. So please be careful.
Oh, so that's what you mean. Don't worry. I understand everything, and I promise to do my best to avoid them and also to avoid any issues popping up with them.
Good. Now let me show you around.
Ah, okay.
Oh, Aku, how are you doing?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm very fine. I'm very fine. You know, I went to visit Angela at Grandma's place, and Agent told me you had left. So I said, oh, let me check up. But that's when I called you and you said, oh, you were around here. So why would you leave such a rich environment to come and stay here with a friend?
Dave, I need my peace of mind. It's very, very important. It would have been different if Grandma were to be around. But with Agent though, it's a whole story on its own. I just want to stay here and have some peace of mind till Grandma returns.
But what's the problem with Agent? What exactly does he want?
Could you believe Agent wants me as his third wife? And my refusal to his proposal has been the problem between us since then.
Wow. Third wife means he's already married to 2 wives and wants you as a third wife, as young as you are. Why? Does he want to mess up with your future or what?
I don't know for him. I don't know. Since then, Ejanto kept giving me nothing but hell. I've been going through hell. Eja won't serve me food with fish or meat. I won't have, Eja won't allow me do anything on my own in that house. He chokes me.
So, did you inform Grandma about it?
I didn't feel it was that important to tell Grandma about it. And I can't handle this one at least. And telling Grandma about him will ruin his reputation in Grandma's sight. And also, he might lose his job.
He that is causing harm, you are rather thinking about him. Wow. What a heart you have. Anyway, I hope it's all good with you, with your friend. How's the situation here?
So far, so good. Okay. I can't complain.
Anyway, all I will say is I wish you well.
Alright.
Just take everything easy, and it is God is in control.
Okay, sure. Thank you. And thanks for the visit.
Why are you here, Amma? You see, your brother has threatened me severally that when he sees me with you, he's going to attack me. And the way your brother is, he can do anything, just anything.
I've missed you. I can't say because of my brother. I'm coming to see you.
When you cry, the whole deep Afro girl, yeah. Eh? Switched off. Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Haven't you seen Amma around?
She hasn't been here yet. We called her too, but her phone is off.
Maybe she went to the community library.
Community library? I've been there. I'm just coming from there.
Oh. Sorry then.
Oh, are you sure you guys are not around too?
Oh, no.
No, please.
Sure.
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you, girls.
Yeah, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Listen, where's Amma? Where is she? Hey, this girl crying. What is her problem? Let's try to call her and see.
But her phone is off.
Maybe. Let's try.
In my grandma's apartment, We live with different characters, and we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day. In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters, and we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day, no way.
Bruh Sam, I didn't go anywhere. I met him. No, he met me. No, I sent him.
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters, and we don't mind our business. Snooping everywhere, causing confusions. Oh, every day, wahala, day, no way, we no go pay. Every day, wahala, day, what you say? We no go take.
Amma, you don't look cheerful. What's the matter?
Have you had any bad news?
Oh, wait, is it because your brother warned you to stay away from Ansa?
You know that's the only reason why I'll be this sad. And why are you guys laughing?
Laugh, sweetie.
Like, seriously? Amma, are you serious right now? I mean, what does Ansa do for you? Besides, you are too young to fall in love with a guy this way. You should rather be thinking of how to read your books and pass your exam.
Oh, please. Cut the sermon. See who is talking. Let me ask you. When you were madly in love with Nat, did we talk? Tell me, did we? Spare me that. Besides, don't I always stop the class?
You're not talking about me here.
Tracy, allow Amma to be. It's love matter we are talking about. Allow her.
Yo. Anyway, Amma, please help me explain this wedding.
I don't know. I'm not a dictionary. Excuse me.
Has he gotten there?
Amma, are we fighting?
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters.
Rasam, I've been calling you from back there, but I guess you couldn't hear me.
Sorry. What is it?
Actually, it's about your sister, my friend, Amma. We all know how you've been trying so hard to advise her, but she wouldn't listen. Can you believe yesterday, after classes, we were on our way home when Ansa met us and picked Amma up to his house. And we stood for hours waiting for them to return. Eventually, when Amma came back, she was sweating all over. And we didn't need anybody to tell us that they did something in there. So please, talk to Amma. She should stop doing all this. She should stop following Ansa. We are about to write our final exams, and Amma is not concentrating. Even our teachers on campus have seen it. They have started complaining about it. Please, you better talk to Amma to stop following this Ansa guy before he messes up her life.
So when you saw that, what did you tell her?
Amma is my friend, and I can't watch her go astray. I try to advise her, but anytime I talk, she thinks I'm the jealous one. She thinks I'm jealous of her relationship with Ansa.
That idiot! I've heard you. No worries. We'll talk, okay?
In my grandma's apartment, we live with different characters. And we don't mind our business.
Tracy, what have I done to you? What exactly do you want from me? Have I snatched somebody or something from you that's making you hate me so much?
But Amma, why all these questions?
Tracy, why are you going about gossiping about me to just anybody? First off, you went to my boyfriend Ansa, told him all sort of things about me. Then after, you went to my brother Sam. What exactly is your aim here, Tracy?
Amma, you are my good friend. And I can't stand there and watch you go wrong. Whatever you are doing is not good. I'm just trying to open your eyes.
And who asked for your advice, Madam Advisor? Who asked you? Look, this is going to be the first and the last one I'm giving you. The next time I wouldn't be this lenient with you. Do you understand me?
Amma, are you possessed or something? I mean, has Ansa cast a spell on you? Come on, why is it so difficult for you to see this? The path you are treading on is a very, very bad one. And so wrong for you.
It's my life, Tracy. I decide what to do with it. Like I mentioned earlier, this is going to be your first and your last warning. Stay away from me and Sir or my brother. Do you understand me? Nonsense.
Amma.
In my grandma. Tracy, what is the meaning of what you did?
What did I do?
You are asking me. So you haven't seen anything wrong with what you did by reporting Amma, our own friend, to her brother.
What's wrong with what I did?
Tracy, you are a bad friend.
No, you are the bad friend.
Tracy!
Your friend is going wrong, and instead of you to caution her, you are rather supporting her. You are an example of bad mothers that give birth and spoil their children.
I will not have you insult me.
Come on, spare me that.
After reporting Amma to Sam, if Sam had beaten Amma to death, what will you do?
Obviously, that might have changed there.
Tracy, I'm sick and tired of this your gossip life. Sort yourself out.
You are a bad friend, and what you are doing is not nice.
Sewa.
Yes.
I'm pregnant.
What?
You heard me.
Have you told Ansa about it?
No.
What of your brother?
No. You know I can't possibly tell him about this.
So what do you intend doing?
I have no idea.
Don't worry, okay? Just calm down. You're not the first nor the last lady to get yourself into this situation. So just calm down, okay? Everything will be fine. We'll try and figure out what to do next, okay?
Sure.
Amma, I can see you are not well. I want you to go in. Dress up, let me take you to the hospital, okay?
Did I tell you I'm not well?
Amma, I don't need you to tell me you are well or not. Everything about you shows you are not well. Amma, just look at your face. Eh? If you are well, what are you doing in this sun? Amma, you fancy sitting here?
Brother Sam, leave me alone. No. Please, leave me alone. If I'm not well, I'll come and tell you I'm not well. Me, I'm fine. It's just cold inside. That's why I come sit here. I'm okay.
Just feeling cold inside. So you think I'm a kid, eh? You are my sister, so I know you. Amma. Anyway, I won't force you. And even I don't have to force you. Abi say you are okay. You are not sick. Okay. I hear. But Amma, I'm praying that what I'm thinking is not true. I'm highly praying to God that what I'm thinking is not true. You say you are not sick. No problem. say you are well.
I won't go to any hospital. I won't go to any hospital.
Baby, this time that you called me on this emergency, I hope everything is okay.
Everything is fine.
Oh, okay.
Just that we have one problem.
Problem? Okay, tell me about it.
I'm pregnant.
Just like that. But how did it happen?
The last time you forgot to use protection, and I also forgot I was in my danger zone.
Yes. You see, this was supposed to be a good news. But the way your brother has been going about his issues. So what do we do?
What else is there to do? You keep the pregnancy, you come and see my brother and my auntie, to pay my bride price, then you will get married.
You want to keep it?
Yes.
Hey. All right. Well, if that's what you want us to do, it's good. Okay, it's good. You know, I love you and I mean the best for you. So we have to find a nice strategy to tame down your brother. Because that guy, can't imagine you, beautiful baby, with you.
I know.
Yeah. Baby. There's your smile. Well, baby, I summoned you here so we would have a very brief discussion. You see, baby, I've been thinking about this pregnancy. Maybe the way things are deteriorating between your brother and I, it scares me. Because the rantings are becoming too much. The threats. My goodness. He goes everywhere to threaten me to people. I have spoken to him. I've made my friend David talk to him. We've made other friends talk to him. But he will not listen. Okay? I have personally tried to talk him into understanding the fact that I love you so much. Okay? And that I will marry you. But who? Sam. He will not listen. He keeps going about, threatening here and there, ranting. Baby, I would want to suggest that we abort this, baby. Yes. Baby, please, understand.
Answer. Understand what exactly? An abortion. How do you expect me to do such a thing? Wait, let me ask you. What if I go in there and I do not come back? Or what if I go in there and I come back but I lose my womb? Me, a barren woman? Come on. Answer, you know that is a sin. And I can't do such. I'm sorry.
Baby, I understand. Okay, I know how it feels. You see, it scares me the way he goes about it. You know, just one day.
Listen to me, Ansa. You have me and I have you. That is all we need. This pregnancy is a product of our love. And I can't possibly abort it. Come on.
David.
Amma is pregnant.
Eh?
Yes, she's pregnant. I don't even know what to do. See, even with a common relationship that I had to have with Amma, see what his brother has been doing. Ranting about wanting to eat me alive. And now pregnancy.
This is serious.
I don't know what to do.
Hey! But wait, so is Sam aware?
No. Even without him being aware, he wants to eat me alive. How much more he being aware? He's not. And it confuses me a lot. I can't even think straight. So I can't go to work in peace. I can't, I can't stay in my house in peace. I can't do anything in peace. And now this situation.
And so wait. What is Amma herself? What is she saying about it?
She won't listen. No. Amma will keep it. She tells me she will keep it at all costs. And that is where my confusion is. At least Amma should try and understand the intensity of this matter. But Amma wants to keep it.
Matter don't come. But Ansa, listen, this case is very dicey. The way Sam has been coming to me, telling me to talk to you, to stay away from his sister. The way, and if anything happens that would jeopardize your education, he will have you arrested.
Exactly. That is my headache now. You see, that's my headache. Because I don't know what next. In fact, this guy keeps threatening. What if the unexpected happens one day? I can't even have peace in my own environment. I'm confused. I'm confused. I'm really confused.
So wait, so would you want me to talk to Amma and perhaps speak on her behalf, advise her to see reason why she has to even go in for this abortion?
Please, I beg you. This is all I want you to do for me. I beg you. Talk to Amma. This girl won't listen. She doesn't even see the impending danger. I beg you. Please. Talk to her for me.
This is serious.
Please.
Anyway, I'll talk to her as you are saying. I'll talk to her so we'll see what to do. This is real trouble.
You see, it's a real trouble.
Amma, your boyfriend, Ansa, came to me. He looked very troubled. He said you have conceived. To me, it's good news because that is every couple's or in every relationship, that's the ultimate goal, to have a child. But looking at how your brother keeps threatening Ansa and how he's always after him, I think I would advise you take his advice to terminate this pregnancy. Yes, because you see, if you see how he's always looking for his trouble, he wants to attack him, warning him, insulting him. I mean, I met him, your brother, I met him to have a word with him, to understand why he should allow you to continue a relationship. He didn't listen to me. So with this pregnancy, we don't know what he will do to Ansa. Please, consider this and take his advice, okay?
Sir David, thank you very much for your concern. But I'm sorry, I can't. I will not terminate this pregnancy. It's my own flesh and blood. What if I'm destined to have just one child and I abort it? What would it make me? A barren woman? I'm sorry. I'm keeping it.
Amma, I understand you perfectly. But please, think of Ansa as well. Think about him. Look, he moved into this community not long ago. Please, consider Ansa as well. Think about him. He started a job in this community not long ago. And he cannot run away with you just because of this pregnancy. Please, understand him.
Sir David, I can't. I don't care what anybody will do to me. I am keeping my baby. I can't. You know how risky this abortion thing is. What if I go in there and I do not come back? What then happens to me? I can't. Look, I'm sure by now my auntie is looking for me at home. If we are done here, I would like to get going.
All right. If you say so.
I'll see you around.
Hey! Ansa is in trouble. Ansa, there's problem. There's real problem.
Why? What did Amma say?
Look, Amma is not ready to do what you're advising her to. She's not. Amma looked me in the face and told me that nothing will let her change her mind. I mean, nothing will let her go in for the abortion you're advising her to do.
So, what do we do? Because her brother is always threatening me with police harassment. I don't even know what to do.
Let me ask you, Ansa. In the first place, do you love the lady?
Yes, now.
Are you ready for a child?
Yes, my brother. Even if I have to pay her bride price tomorrow, I'm ready.
Then, my brother, forget it. You have no problem.
Are you sure?
Oh, yes. Look, what matters here is your readiness to get married to the lady. Are you a kid?
I'm not a kid. Amma is neither a minor. Okay? But this guy will not even give me peace of mind to work and make money to take care of his own sister.
Forget him. He's even beginning to annoy me. Look, after all, are you the only person who has, dated a lady and you have impregnated her before going to see her parents? I mean, what is it?
He even has 2 girlfriends. He recently impregnated one.
Forget him. All you need to do now is to make money. Okay? Let's even ignore this guy. Let's go and see an elderly person, lead us, and we'll go and see Amma's auntie. Then we'll let her know that this is our intention. You want to marry the lady. When she gives birth, you are ready to perform a marriage rite. Any other thing they want you to do before she gives birth, you are ready. And that is it.
Then I think we can handle this matter in a better way.
Forget about him.
Okay.
Forget about he can't do anything. In fact, if he continues to threaten you, we'll have to rather report him to the police for threatening. Yes. You have not committed any crime. So what is his problem?
You look troubled. What's the problem?
Portia, it's a long story. I have a boyfriend whom I love so much, and he loves me equally. But the thing here is I have conceived, and he's asking me to abort it.
Wow. If he really loves you, why then does he want you to abort the pregnancy?
My brother has sworn to deal with him drastically if anything of this sort happens.
Wow. So what are you going to do?
I don't know. I'm confused. All I want to do is to just go far away from their reach. Somewhere I'll have my peace of mind.
Well, my parents are out of the country and I stay here alone. If you don't mind, you can come and stay with me.
Are you serious?
Yes, you can.
Thank you so much, Portia.
You are welcome. Everything will be fine, okay?
I really appreciate this.
Don't worry, you can stay with me, okay?
Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Hello, madam. Let's say. Okay. And I told my okay, thanks. Only 2 city.
Ansa?
Madam Patrick, never.
I have seen everything that is going on with my sister. But I'm praying that it will not be what I'm thinking. And if it's true, Ansa, don't try to terminate that pregnancy, or else this area will not contain us. Word to a wise. It's enough.
Sam. See, Sam, you do too much. My brother, what is it? Eh? I'm tired of all your threats. Today ranting here, tomorrow ranting there. Why? Can't I have some peace of mind to make money and take care of your own sister? Eh? Is she a kid? And am I a kid too? Are you the only man who has a sister who is in a relationship? Is she a kid? And am I a kid too? Oh, please. Madam, when are you saying? Okay, back.
Answer.
Baby.
From the way things are going, I want to go and stay with my friend Portia. My brother keeps on tormenting me in that house, and I have no peace there. He keeps asking me if I'm not feeling well. He wants to take me to the hospital for checkups, and we know we can't let that happen. So I want to go.
Okay. Have you, informed him about your decision to move?
How would I do that? He's the main reason why I'm leaving that house in the first place.
Okay, you know your brother. You know he will surely come to my house to come and look for you. What will I tell him?
Just tell him you don't know where I am. The fact that we are dating doesn't mean you have to know every single thing about me. Besides, I'm not a kid.
Okay. That sounds like a good idea. So this is what I will do. I will send you some money. Hey, you and money. So that you will use it for upkeep. Okay? Then I'll find time within the week, pass by your place to say hello to you and Portia. Okay?
That's fine.
Everything will be fine, baby. Don't worry. Don't worry. Portia.
Answer.
I must say, I'm very grateful to you for the way you have accepted my baby and accommodated her for me. You know, things got very bad. The way things were going, she really needed a place to, have her peace. Yes. And I don't know whether her brother wants to marry her or something. You see, but he made the whole thing, some way. In the neighborhood. You see. As for me, I am a man, and I can actually tolerate his rantings. But Amma is quite fragile at this stage and needs her peace of mind. Okay, yes. So I'm very happy she's here. I have already made plans of marrying her at the right time. Where you see when she delivers a nice baby, and then also take things further with career and other things. So I'm just happy.
Answer. You don't have any problem. Amma here is like a sister to me. She can stay here as long as she wants. I stay in this house alone. So you don't have any problem. She is very safe here. Am I right? And when we wake up, we cook, eat, and I know she feels comfortable with me.
Yeah, you're very right. And Sam, help me thank Portia so much. She has been of great help to me ever since I moved into her house.
Wow.
Thank you so much, Portia.
Of course.
Stop that. What are friends for?
We are grateful. We are very, very grateful.
Answer. Answer. Where is my sister? I said, where is my sister?
Oh, which sister?
Oh, what kind of stupid question is that? You're not asking me that I don't know my sister. That which sister? My sister that you have been chasing like a dog, chasing bone. You're not sitting here asking me. Hey, answer.
Sam, your sister is not with me. I have not seen your sister.
Answer. My sister is missing for 3 days. Which I learned and I know she's hiding in there. Kindly call my sister for me. Let's go in peace.
Please, please, my brother, your sister is not at my place. I have not seen your sister for the past 3 days, as you're also saying.
Answer, you know what? I'm giving you 3 days. Answer. 3 days. If I don't see my sister, in fact, this community can never contain us. And I'll make sure I flash you out of this community. Trust me. No, take my word serious. Answer. I said 3 days, and I mean it. 3 working days.
Amma, you've not eaten your food. What's the problem?
Portia, would you believe Ansa called me and told me that my brother came to his house to threaten him, saying that if what he's hearing about my pregnancy is true, then he would murder him. And because of that, he's saying that if I don't agree to abort the pregnancy, he won't take responsibility for it.
Is that why you are sad? Don't worry, it's just a mere threat. Besides, he can't kill you or your boyfriend. Don't worry, everything will be fine.
I'm even thinking of giving in to his demands. But Portia, I am just tired. I'm tired of this whole situation.
Really? Giving in? Do you want to commit suicide? Like, who knows? Maybe you are carrying the next president. Amma, everything will be fine. This will soon pass. Please, you have to eat your food and take your drugs, please.
I'm not hungry.
Don't worry, you have to eat your food and take your drugs, please. Let's go, everything will be fine, okay?
Hello.
Hi.
I'm after Amma.
Amma. Which Amma?
Oh, your friend Amma, of course.
My friend. You can come in. So whom did you say you are looking for?
Oh, your friend Amma, of course.
Amma. Amma is not here.
Amma is not here. Oh, why are you saying this?
I said Amma is not here. Right. Amma was here the last time. But she left the same day.
You see, anytime Mama gets out of the house, she used to come to you. So I thought she is here. Even the very first day she left home without even informing me. I knew she is here. That's why I've not even.
I said Amma is not. I've not seen Amma.
So it means she left this house. You've never set your eye on her.
Yes.
Are you sure you are telling me the truth that Amma is not in this?
I said Amma is not. I've not seen Amma.
But do you know it's an offense to keep someone's relative in your house without letting the family know?
Are you teaching me the law in my own house?
No, I'm not saying that, but I think you are not telling me the truth.
Get out of my house.
You're sacking me.
I said get out of my house. Get out. Don't worry. That was your brother. The way I've dealt with him, I don't think he will come here again. What matters is Ansa has agreed to come and see you here. So we don't have any problem, okay? And moreover, you need to start antenatal next week. And I'll be taking care of you. Right?
Okay.
You don't have any problem.
Thank you very much.
What are friends for? I'll take care of you.
Thank you.
Okay.
Efia. Efia. Have you fed the goat this afternoon?
I forgot to.
No wonder they are disturbing me. Go and feed them. Hey, Sam.
Good afternoon.
Ask me, what are you doing here? You didn't call me that you're coming.
Sure. I went to the salon, barbering salon, and from there I decided to pass and then have a word with you.
Oh, okay. If you bring some chair.
Hey.
How are you?
I'm fine.
Auntie, please, have you seen Amma?
What sort of a question is that? Am I supposed to be with you at home?
Yes, so, but for the past 3 days, I've not set my eye on her.
What?
I've been to her so-called boyfriend's house. She's not there. I went to Nancy, her friend. She's still nowhere to be found. I called her line and switched off. So from there, I decided to pass by and then check if she has been here.
Sam,
Auntie.
What did you do to the girl that she left the house? 3 days now, you haven't seen her.
Auntie, I've not done anything to Amma. For the past weeks, Amma is not well. So I suspected her that she's pregnant.
Pregnant?
Yes. So, in fact, I threatened her to let me know who is responsible for that pregnancy. And since.
You see. Sam, you see what I've been telling you. I told you to leave the girl alone. I told you the girl was in love. Just leave her and let's help her monitor the relationship. But you said no. Now see, where are we going to find Amma? You better go and look for your sister and leave me out of this. Go and look for her because you don't listen. Auntie. When I talk, you don't listen. I told you, stay away from the relationship. Monitor her. Let's help her. Guide her. You said no.
Is that all you can say?
That is all I can say. Go and look for your sister.
This is what I was preventing. Because this unwanted pregnancy is needless and...
Wait, Amma pregnant.
Ozu, do you know my sister has left home for the past 3 days?
Your sister, Amma?
I'm telling you. And where I suspect she could be, I went there. And the friend is telling me she has not been there. Which I know. She's telling a lie. You see, your friend Ansa has succeeded in convincing my sister to just run away without telling me anything. Answer, you've beaten than what you can chew.
But wait, my brother. Why do you think Ansa will let your sister leave home without informing you?
She's pregnant. My sister is pregnant. In fact, I suspected it and I've gotten the confirmation. That is why she has taken that decision. But look, your friend Ansa.
Sam, you know something, eh? Like I said, please, exercise patience for me. I will personally confront Ansa on this and get to the bottom of it. Your sister will come back to you. Please take it easy for me, please.
And as I've said, I'll flash Ansa from this community. You know me. You know what I can do. No, this community cannot contain us. I'm telling you the truth. Ansa. Ansa wanga kuma na mutani. Me. Telling you.
When I get money, I will invest in that too.
Really?
People are making money off it, pa.
Okay, so Amma, talking of money, I think you need a job. Because as the pregnancy keeps growing, you need to buy your baby stuffs and be financially stable.
Well, I think you are right.
Yeah.
But honestly, I am tired of this whole issue. I'm thinking of giving in to Ansai's idea of aborting the pregnancy. I don't know how I'm going to give birth to this baby without the father's support.
Stop this. Amma, I said I will talk to Ansa and he'll come around. He'll take care of you and the baby. Please, stop this.
How sure are you?
I'm very sure.
Because Ansa is the same person who told me to abort it. If not, he won't take responsibility for it.
I will talk to Ansa. You don't worry. He'll come around.
I just hope he listens to you.
He will. He will. Just smile. And again, we need to visit the salon. See your hair.
I don't have money for my hair.
Why are you talking about money? Who is asking you for money? I'll pay for your hair. I will do it for you.
Ansa, Sam came to me. In fact, we were even taking a show on the street. When he started his ranting and troubles and talking plenty, that he can't find his sister. In the last 3 days, he said he doesn't know where his sister is. And that he came to your house and you told him you haven't seen her. And so let me ask you, do you know where Amma is?
David. Well, Amma has actually gone to seek refuge with her friend. Yes. The way the guy is harassing her is unbearable. And I support her. I think it's a good idea that she goes to seek refuge there. I've been sending her money.
So, Amma has gone to stay with a friend.
Yes.
So wait, Ansa, wait. What do I tell Sam?
That guy can go to hell. In fact, he has been in my house asking me, where is Amma? Where is Amma? You know, ranting about and all that. I was even sleeping. He wouldn't let me sleep. And I told him I haven't seen her. Tell him you haven't seen me also.
The matter over you. My friend, that's over you.
That guy, leave him. He can go to hell. Who does he think he is?
I told you that. My friend, find another lady. You said no. It is Amma that you love, blah, blah, blah. You see now that's over you.
I love this girl. I love Amma. She's the kind of woman I would die for on any day. She understands my lifestyle. She understands what makes me happy. She knows how to bring me up, lift me from sadness. You understand? These are some of the things a man needs in his life. Peace of mind.
You see, my friend, let me tell you one thing. There's some death, when you die, it is stupid death. And this kind of death, when you die and I come to your funeral, I will not cry you. In fact, I will drink booze and sleep and laugh and dance. Because who know.
Forget about Sam. Nothing you can do.
Ansa, please sit down. Ansa.
Portia, I cannot sit.
Please sit down. Let's solve this thing amicably. Please.
No, I cannot sit down. You should have been there to witness the way this guy keeps embarrassing me in town. The way this guy keeps insulting me in public, threatening me here and there. Am I the only young guy in a relationship with somebody's sister? I am working. I am somebody with a good character. I have a good job. I'm working to take good care of your own sister. Is this my crime? Or what? The pregnancy? I'm ready to take care of her, even marry her if I have the opportunity to. But look, the way things are going, you see, I think it is not about talking, managing the issues again. Because this guy may meet me somewhere and repeat that thing, and I tell you what, I'll retaliate.
Answer, please.
But I'm a fine gentleman. I don't want that to happen. Please, let us terminate this pregnancy and let everything be peaceful. I beg you.
Answer, no, please. You can't do this. You guys indulge in premarital sex, and that is a sin. And you want to commit another sin by aborting this pregnancy. Who knows? This baby might be a prominent person, and you want to abort it. Answer, why are you doing this? Please.
You know what? You know, I like you very much. I don't have any issues with you. But in order for peace to prevail, just understand my proposal, okay? I have sent some money to her on her phone. I think she can, withdraw it and manage a few things for herself. Now, I have to go back to work.
No, answer, please. Answer, please.
Oh.
Answer.
Answer.
Amma, don't cry,